Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're about to stop an iCloud restore. Act fast. First, confirm you know the Apple ID and password so you can sign back in later. Once ready, plug the device into power to avoid shutdowns. Then open Settings, tap your name, choose iCloud and find iCloud Backup. If the restore just started, disabling iCloud Backup and turning off Wi-Fi quickly will pause network activity. Do that now so you can perform the controlled cancel steps that follow. Next, stop the incoming restore data. Turn off Wi-Fi and cellular, which halts downloads immediately. Then decide whether to cancel in place or prepare a clean start. If you want to keep current state, connect the device to a Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes to make a local backup before proceeding. If you prefer to restart setup, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset Device, erase all content and settings. Make sure you can sign back into the Apple ID. To finish, either restore selectively or set the device up as new. Once the restore is canceled, reconnect to Wi-Fi, sign into your Apple ID, and choose what to re-download from iCloud, or use iTunes/Finder to restore a local backup. If the device seems frozen during cancellation, perform a force restart and repeat the interrupt steps. If problems persist, connect with a USB cable to a computer and manage backups there. That wired path often.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.